In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Copper CRM. Let's start by opening your browser and searching for Copper CRM. This is the quickest way to get to the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the search results, click the first official Copper CRM link to head to the homepage. From there, sign in to your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct workspace so your contacts land in the right place. Once you're in, go to your workspace settings, then find the section labeled Manage Your Data. This is where Copper keeps all the tools for bringing information in and out of your system. In that area, click Import Data. You'll land on the Import screen, which is designed to walk you through bringing your contacts into Copper in a structured way. Here, you can upload a file of contacts. The most reliable format is a CSV, which you can export from a spreadsheet tool or another CRM. Before you upload, a quick tip. Include a header row with clear column names like first name, last name, email, company, and phone. Make sure email addresses are valid and unique where possible, since email is often used to prevent duplicates. Keep dates and phone numbers in a consistent format, and remove any columns you don't actually need. Choose the CSV option, then upload your file. You can drag and drop it or select it from your computer. After the file is uploaded, Copper will prompt you to map your data. This is where you match each column in your file to the correct field in Copper. For example, map first name to first name, company to company, and email to email. Pay special attention to the email field, as it helps Copper identify and update existing records rather than creating duplicates. If you see a column that doesn't have a good match, it's fine to skip it so you don't clutter your database. As you map, review the preview rows to confirm everything lines up correctly. Names should appear in the right fields, emails should sit under email, and phone numbers under the appropriate phone field. When everything looks accurate, click Continue Import to start the process. Copper will process the file and add your contacts to the system. Depending on the size of your file, this can take a moment. Once it's complete, your newly imported contacts will be available in your contacts list, ready for you to segment, assign, and use in your workflows. That's all there is to it.